wow. All right, I think we're recording in wow. What is today? The 18th? I think it's the 18th. We got a semi. I don't think semis are supposed to come down through here. About took out this Ford. Like, you just can't turn on these roads. It's gonna be a long ride. I can already put money on it. Looks like a lazy river, a natural lazy river. That'd be cool. Even if it isn't natural, it looks natural. I don't want to be behind this semi. What do we do, people? Where's it going? And still checking out the new camera. It's on my chin finally, but I have not looked at the right angle or not yet. Or audio quality. I'm plugged in. It's flashing. Yeah, plugged in. This thing's running hot. Fans are on. It's going to be a very long ride. See, he can't take a turn. He cannot take a turn. Pretty river, nice clear water. All right. I don't even know where that dude's going. That is cool. I love, oh, that's just a paddleboard. I love that people just like camp out. They set chairs up, they put awnings out, whatever you want to call those things. When they're fishing off of whatever. I dig it. We got the birds. Waiting on the birds. Waiting on the birds. There we go. We just chased them out of the road. That's all you do. You just missed us. Who did we miss? I need to find a new road, people. You got to drop some comments. I love this road. It is cool, but this is what I was afraid of. That's a very smart idea. Get the reflectix on your little tent thing. You know, because they have a pop-up camper, so it's just a tent. So to keep the heat off of it, see, the family in the river, got their little thingy up, staying in the shade. Yeah, you put your reflectix over so it doesn't get so hot. Makes sense, makes sense. That water looks amazing. Amazing. I'd go jump in it. I need to check it out one day. I truly do. I think my cell phone's waterproof. See, all the tubes. What is... Something is flapping in the breeze. I don't know what it is. I turned the music off and it's just like clink, 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 clink. Tubes, drinks, and music. Is it the visor? Nope. Is there something on top? I just washed it. I washed it and moved the mic around. Because the GoPro, the mic came in on the right side, and this one, the mic's on the left side, the adapter. So I had to redo the helmet, and this is the first time I've worn the helmet. Second time I've worn the helmet. First time I just had it all taped up, but I got these little plastic clips to drop the mic wire in because I'm wired. Not wireless mic. At least this person's going a little quicker, right? I mean, they really like that 20 mile per hour dust. But, you know, I get it. Let's see what is going on in the river here. See, they just camp out. Very cool. It's on the right side. Whatever's making noise is on the right side of my helmet. Yep, on the right side. I could probably stand up this whole time unless I got stopped. And then we'll just jump, tuck, and roll. Yeah, so let's talk new roads. I think my next ride I'm gonna, I don't know, go somewhere different. Really start exploring some of these roads around here because this is probably getting very boring to watch. But I have figured out all the nuances of this thing. Oh, let's pay attention. Pay attention, people. I mean, me. Pay attention, me. It's like something's in the helmet. That would suck. The hitch hanging out in the road. That's why I removed mine. I have so mine's a bi-metal hitch, I guess you would call it. It's a metal shank with an aluminum ball housing. Oh, let's see what we got here. Corey thinks we're gonna do a movie. Sounds like fun. I don't know what I got planned this Saturday. Friday we're going to Cody Johnson. That should be really cool. Played Cody Johnson, the painter, at our wedding. And then, yeah, this year we're gonna be heading to Florida. That's gonna be fun. I'm gonna take everybody along, and I'm actually gonna try to, like, I don't know, be that person that has the GoPro and you're like, hey, this is this and this is that. I'm not very good at that. Like, we went into New Braunfels in the Clydesdales. There's a deer. As I look at this deer, another deer is going to run across. We went and saw the Budweiser Clydesdales, and instead of me saying, hey, look, we're in, it wasn't New Braunfels, it was Green. We're in Green, you know, George Strait, Green Hall, blah, blah, blah. We got the Budweiser Clydesdales. I just was shooting video of the horsies. Really cool to see. Those things are absolutely gorgeous. But yeah, I need to, you know, maybe do a little homework and, you know, tell you stuff about where I'm at and why, and I don't know. Maybe do more of Debbie's and ours, mine, our, you know what I'm saying, our little adventures that we do. We do quite a bit, and I never bring the camera, but I think I might start on some of them. But yeah, we're heading to Florida because it is our 1 year anniversary. I'm not going to throw the date up there yet because this might come out before then, and I don't want people to know when I'm not going to be home. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, y'all? So yeah, St. Augustine, 1 year anniversary. Plus, we never got a honeymoon. So, oh look, okay. So last time we were down here, I think there's 2 flags. We have the American flag here, and I was like, oh, they changed it to the Texas flag. But there's the American flag, and then, of course, here is, oh dang, that left hip feels like it's trying to exit my body. That was sharp. And then there's the Texas state flag. America, that's all I can say. America. So yeah, we'll let everybody go here. I'm gonna listen to some music because that is what I do. Big rock, lots of gravel, we've had another week of flood, so a lot of water has come across these roads. So pretty. Absolutely gorgeous through here. See the rock out in the middle? Yeah, I dig it. So on that, I'll let everybody go. If you could, please give me a big old thumbs up. Stay safe, everybody. I'll see you down the road.